Until 1993, there were no specific legal protections for 2S LGBTQ people.
There's all kinds of homophobia in our society.
That all changed when the provincial government amended the Human Rights Code. It followed a 20-year fight by activists.
The last 30 years have been a period of incredible societal change. Attitudes, it's day and night in terms of how attitudes have changed in Saskatchewan in terms of LGBTQ people. In the 80s, when I was on campus as a student, it was scary. It was scary to participate in LGBTQ events. It was frightening to come out to your family or to your employer. You could lose your job.
Bell says the legal changes were a step in the right direction.
The big thing is to change societal attitudes. That's where you want to go. However, to put sexual orientation in the Human Rights Code in 1993 was a step in that direction. It led the way to a change in attitudes.
Another Saskatoon resident who fought for the changes says she can't believe it's been 30 years.
It was a hard fight during those years, during that period of time, especially when the 92 to 93 period when the government was passing legislation. So it was really exciting. In fact, it was almost euphoric because suddenly we had rights, suddenly we were protected, suddenly we could be free to be who we were without fear. And that's a real big feeling.
Lodeman and Bell say there's been a lot of progress, but there is still a lot of work to do. They note that in the United States, there are hundreds of pieces of legislation aimed at rolling back these rights, as well as a small but vocal minority attempting to do the same in this country. Jason Warwick, CBC News, Saskatoon.